Move. Let's go. Get out! Everyone out! Come on, get her out of there!
Welcome to the Capitol.
When I was little, my mama used to bathe me in buttermilk and rose petals. Tastes like bedtime. You look like you shouldn't be here.
Well, I shouldn't, but I'm your mentor.
A rebel. And what does my mentor do besides bring me roses?
I do my best to take care of you.
No!
On your feet!
Good luck with that, gorgeous.
All right, come on. Let's go. Move it.
Excuse me, can I...
Excuse me, I'd like to escort my trip.
In the truck. Hurry up.
Hey!